I got some RAM here. So anyway, I went to my grandparents and upgraded their computer from 2 times 4 to 4 times 4 gigabytes, and their old computer still had 2 times 8 in it, so that's getting the 2 times 4 on my computer, and I got 2 times 8 RAM. Now I got 16 gigabytes and will hopefully no longer crash every 3 milliseconds. It is time to put the RAM in. First you turn off the computer and take out the cable. Make sure it's drained. Take off side because I did never bolt it down because, well, I use too much of the inside every time. Then you record it on a shoddy angle that will definitely be very clear to your viewers. And you take out the old RAM, and yeah, 2 of my RAM slots are broken, so can't really do much with the others. And then you input the RAM. Let's not hold the other stick while I put the first stick in. That's one. Gotta be careful, SpongeBob. Careful, SpongeBob. Careful, SpongeBob. Then you put in the other stick. Then you plug back inside the cable. And then you wait 10 seconds because I know my computer, if I turn it on now, it'll kill itself. Because the power supply isn't fully charged yet. And that's what I mean, it doesn't work. Oh, it does work. That's what I mean. Turned off, turned on, turned off, turned on again. Yes! BIOS BP! We're in the BIOS. And we have 16 gigabytes of memory. Holy crap. I hope I don't crash every second. Hold on, let me... Oh, it's... No, the BIOS reset. Piece is short. Advanced mode. Enter. This is just a tutorial for myself because I forget what to do here every time. You go to advanced. No. First you go to boot and you set it to... no, it was tool, and then you... Oh, God. AI tweaker, you are the problem. So it was boot, then you set it to always boot in advanced mode, saves you a click, then you go to advanced again, then you go to USB configuration, and you set legacy support to auto, or disable. I think it's disabled actually, because it's dumb, and then on Windows 7 it won't work anymore. Save changes, reset. Then you wait for it to boot. Come on, boy. Boot. And you have the Windows 7. Amazing. No. I know I shut it down wrong. And I don't even remember if I shut it down. No, god damn it, this is what I mean. Then your mouse doesn't work. I think I can start Task Manager. No, I can. Can I? No, I can't even shift F10. Anyway, let me just like log in real quick. 7.4 Core i7 4th generation, 16 gigabytes of memory. Amazing, we are saved. This is amazing.